Theo, Theo's first ever train journey. We are at Denmark Hill Station. Theo, you excited? Yeah? Gonna go on a train? Say hi, train. Okay. Gotta press the button, Theo. Okay.
Can I pick where we sit?
Yeah, you wanna sit there?
Yeah, I'm sitting.
Come on.
Wow! I see that!
We are at Denmark Hill Overground. Theo's already climbing on things. Okay, go and choose your seat over there. Doors are closing, we've got to sit down. You ready?
Yeah.
Put your mask on. You can go on your knees and look up. Now, I want to see outside. Go on your knees. You can put your sword down on the side. How fast do you think we're going?
A million miles.
Super, isn't it? Super fast.
I think we're going like 100 miles. I think we're going.
Yeah? You stay like that and you look outside.
It's so fast. Like, so
Going
we're
over.
going to be jumping on each building.
Yeah, we're going overground. How cool is that, Theo? You can see
You
everything.
know what, Theo? Sometimes you can look into people's houses.
I just love this little houses around.
Look, see, they have their
cool,
curtains
guys.
open, you can see into their houses.
It's the only person who has the
We are in Canada water.
anti-water.
And we are... Okay, Canada water. And we are changing train. We're changing to the Jubilee line, Theo. What does that say up there? Jubilee line. Say bye-bye, train. Theo, say bye-bye, first train. Bye, first train. Theo, are you on the escalator? Escalator. Alright, turn around. We're gonna get off the escalator. Woohoo! Massive train station. Alright, where are we going, Theo? Jubilee line. Look up. What does that say? Way out and Jubilee line. Okay, Jubilee line platform 2. Escalator time again. Woohoo! Come on, Bubs. Stay. Come. You're doing the moonwalk. Woohoo! Okay. Down a big one. Alright, follow Kim. Turn around. Follow Kim. Okay, this side. Okay. Woo! We're going. We're not going on that red train. Come, Bubs. Theo. Stand there. We're going here. Look. We're going here. 2 stops to North Greenwich. Yeah? Alright. Okay, always let the people off first. All right, let's go. That's cool, isn't it, Bobby?
This train turns.
Oh, you got bars.
Let's go.
This station is.
We are in North Greenwich now, Theo. And now we're going to get on a bus. Do a nice bus journey. Say bye-bye, second train. Say bye-bye, second train. Massive station, massive. Oh yeah. It'd be really fast, wouldn't it? If we use our skateboards in here.
And now they'll just be staring at us. Like what? How are they doing that?
Hold on. You hold on when you step on, you hold on. Okay? And it opens up to the entrance.
This is awesome!
Woo! Theo, that's the O2 stadium. So we made it to the O2 stadium. Yeah. And that's where they hold all the concerts and everything. And they even done the Olympics there.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Okay, so here we are.
It's for gymnastics.
Gotta get a bus now. My Bobby's on the bus. First time. Okay, look. You can stand and hold on here if you want.
Yeah.
First time on the bus, Bobs.
A bus and a train, because we went on the two trains and now the bus.
Okay, sit down on your chair and look out.
Oh! This is like the overground bus.
It's good I put in the postcode for her.
Yeah.
Or else if we would have went Thamesmead, it would have taken us 7 stops out of our way.
Oh, 7 stops of trains. Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
7
So
stops.
it's good I put in get in the car today.
Bobby, look forward. Look at the shuttles, guys.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go on those.
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon in life.
Look how high it goes.
Maybe we'll go when I'm
Alright
7.
guys, so if you want to go on the shuttles, that's where you have to go.
You go to the Emirates, Greenwich
Peninsula. And it takes you over
Stratford.
to East London, yeah, Stratford.
Hey look, a fellow bus. Hello, fellow bus.
That's cool, isn't it?
Alright guys, this is where we are.
Greenwich Millennium Village.
Look at the whole entire bus to ourselves. Look at that.
Just about.
Yeah. We can even see down there if we really wanted to. Look at that. We've even got a TV to watch.
Millennium Village
We've got to
South.
take him to that park we found in Mile End.
Whoa.
That was
Yeah.
awesome, that park.
So guys, are you enjoying the ride?
And look, baby, this is where we went to
Let's
Nando's.
pause.
Turn left, turn left. Woohoo! We're controlling it.
Good. Good driving.
Stay on the bus lane.
Good driving, Bobs.
Theo's controlling the bus from at the top.
Yeah. He's using this.
Yeah.
Woolwich
Controls
Road,
it.
Charlton Lane.
It controls it.
Oh, there you go. Thamesmead.
Turn left.
We went up that road before to get a bike. Do you remember? Or I think it was a gym equipment.
I turned right. Turn left a bit. Woo!
Good driving.
A little bit slower.
Yeah.
Go a tiny bit right. Go a tiny bit right.
Theo's using his mind control to drive the bus. Mind control. Look how serious he is. Hands on his knees.